Hey pantry people, welcome to the Castle Pantry, where we turn tight budgets into everyday magic. Let's begin the alchemy. Today I'm showing you how I cook rice in my pressure cooker using the easiest, most reliable method I've tried. It's truly set and forget it. No stirring, no babysitting, no guessing. Just perfect fluffy rice you can use all week long. And I'll show you my preferred rice mix. Nothing fancy or special, just a combo I personally love because it tastes great and reheats beautifully. If you're tired of your rice turning out mushy, dry, or sticky, this is going to make your weeknight cooking way easier. Tap that like button if you love simple, budget-friendly recipes. It helps YouTube know this is worth sharing. I didn't realize cooking rice in a pressure cooker was this easy until I tried it myself. But once I did, total game changer. You dump in your ingredients, press a button, walk away, and the pressure does 99% of the work. It's consistent, it's quick, and it's basically impossible to mess up. This is exactly how I prep rice that lasts my family all week long. Let's walk through this step by step. First step, my personal rice mix. It's nothing fancy, just what I prefer. You can use any rice you like, but here's what I usually do because I love the result. I use 2 cups of long grain white rice with 1 cup of jasmine rice. That's it. Nothing signature or special. I just like how the long grain keeps its structure while the jasmine adds its softness and aroma. If you prefer only one variety, that works perfectly too. Step 2. Use the simple ratio. For my 2-cup total mix, the ratio is 2 to 3 rice to liquid ratio. So if you want to scale that up, for a 3-cup total mix, the ratio would be 3 cups rice to 4.5 cups of water or broth. If you use broth, it'll have more flavor, but water works great too. Step 3. Add the flavor. Add 2 tablespoons of butter. Clarified butter is my personal favorite, but if I don't have any of that, regular butter works in a pinch. 2 tablespoons of your favorite rice seasoning. I'm using my homemade Spanish rice seasoning today. If you haven't seen my seasoning video yet, definitely check it out. It's linked below and makes a huge difference. Give everything a gentle stir so it's distributed. Step 4. Pressure cook, and then let it naturally release. So once everything's in, lock the lid, close the pressure valve, and if your cooker has a rice setting, choose that. If not, set it manually to 12 minutes on high pressure. That's how long mine cooks when I have it set to the rice setting. When the timer goes off, don't open it yet. Let the cooker naturally release pressure on its own. Letting the cooker naturally release pressure on its own keeps the rice fluffy, helps the grains finish steaming gently, and allows the seasoning to settle deeper into the rice. Once it's fully depressurized, usually takes about a half an hour, then open the lid. Step 5. Transfer and fluff. After opening the lid, immediately transfer the rice to another dish. This prevents sticking and stops the residual heat from overcooking the bottom layer of the rice. Your kitchen will smell incredible. The jasmine adds a warm aromatics and butter vibe that's so good. Sneak a taste if you want to, then save the rest for meals all week. So just to re-clarify a few things, you don't need expensive rice cookers. Jasmine can be cooked in a pressure cooker with great results, and mixing rice types is totally fine, and honestly, delicious. If you need an idea for a next step, try this method once a week. Keep the ratio the same even if you tweak the rice types. Comment below and tell me what version you made. Your comments help the whole pantry community get better ideas, and I love reading them. If this video helped you at all, hit that like button. It's the easiest way to support my channel. And if you want more budget-friendly recipes that feel way fancier than they are, subscribe and stick around. I have plenty more coming. Want to level up this recipe even more? Watch my do-it-yourself rice seasoning video next. I'll take your rice from good to ridiculously good. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Share this with someone who loves easy meals.